What if yung pinakasikat na actress sa buong mundo, hindi pala totoong tao at AI lang pala? Yan ang premise ng Simone, isang 2002 movie starring Al Pacino. And grabe, parang na-predict niya yung future kasi mas relevant pa to ngayon kaysa nung una siyang lumabas. Save nyo na to for your next watchlist. And of course, don't forget to follow Cinegeeks for more movie, series, and streaming recommendations. So this movie follows Victor Taransky, isang has-been director na medyo pabagsak na yung career niya. After mag-walk out sa set ng lead actress niya, nagkaroon siya ng access sa isang program na pwedeng gumawa ng isang perfect actress or perfect celebrity. Walang attitude, walang schedule issues, walang conflict, walang demands. And that's how Simone was born. Sa simula, solution lang dapat siya para matapos yung movie na ginagawa ni Victor Taransky. Pero hindi lang siya basta-basta nag-work. Sumikat siya. As in, super sikat na sikat. Global superstar level. Biglang lahat gusto siyang ma-meet, gusto siyang ma-interview, gusto siyang makast, and gusto siyang makilala. Ang problema, hindi siya totoong tao. She's not real. So, kailangan panindigan ni Victor yung kasinungalingan niya. Siya yung gumagawa ng interview, ng performances, and ng image, and yung pagsasalita ni Simone. Basically, gumawa siya ng isang perfect Hollywood star. And the world believed him. Watch this if mahilig kayo sa movies about fame, celebrity culture, media obsession, and yung weird line between what's real and what's manufactured. Ang pinaka-interesting para sa akin dito sa Simone is lumabas siya noong 2002 pero mas ngayon siya relevant. Dati, satire lang yung idea ng pagkakaroon ng isang fake actress with fake personality. Pero ngayon, with AI influencers, deepfakes, virtual celebrities, and actors being recreated digitally, hindi na siya imposible. It begs the question, kung na-inlove ang buong mundo sa isang persona or personality, does it matter if totoo siya o hindi? And ano na ba yung totoo at hindi totoo sa panahon ngayon? Kung napanood nyo na ang Simone, comment below what you thought about the movie. And don't forget to follow Cinegeeks for more movies, series, and streaming recommendations. This has been Angela, and I'll see you in the next one.